Keeping your car clean can be frustrating. Dust in tight corners, pet hair on seats, crumbs on carpets, and bulky vacuums that are hard to carry. That's why cordless car vacuums are becoming a must-have gadget in 2026. They're compact, lightweight, powerful, and easy to use anywhere without messy wires. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless car vacuums of 2026 that offer strong suction, portable designs, and convenient cleaning for cars, homes, and offices. We researched user reviews and product features to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. Baseus A5 Air Cordless Car Vacuum. The Baseus A5 Air is a stylish and compact cordless vacuum cleaner designed for quick and efficient cleaning. Its powerful suction easily removes dust, food crumbs, and pet hair from car seats, carpets, and dashboards. The lightweight handheld design makes it easy to carry and store inside your vehicle. It also works as a 2-in-1 cleaner for both cars and small home spaces. With wireless operation, USB charging, and low noise performance, it's perfect for everyday use. The modern design and reliable cleaning power make the Baseus A5 Air a great choice for drivers who want convenience and portability. Number 4. SZUK C017 Max Wireless Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The SZUK C017 Max is a portable mini vacuum cleaner built for strong suction and easy handling. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive cleaning performance for car interiors, keyboards, sofas, and tight spaces. The cordless design allows you to clean freely without dealing with tangled cables. Its lightweight body makes one-hand operation simple and comfortable during longer cleaning sessions. The rechargeable battery provides enough power for quick car cleanups at home or on the road. If you want an affordable and portable vacuum cleaner with reliable performance, the SZUK C017 Max is an excellent everyday option. Number 3. CENRR 36000 PA Cordless Car Vacuum. The CENRR cordless vacuum stands out with its ultra-strong suction power, designed for deep cleaning performance. It easily removes stubborn dirt, dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, seats, and hard-to-reach areas. The portable handheld design makes it suitable for both cars and home cleaning tasks. Wireless operation adds flexibility, while the rechargeable battery ensures convenient use anywhere. It also includes multiple cleaning attachments for different surfaces and corners. With strong airflow, modern styling, and practical portability, the CENRR vacuum is a solid choice for users who need powerful cleaning in a compact device. Number 2. ABIR Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner delivers premium features and smart cleaning technology in a portable design. It offers up to 27,000 PA suction power, along with a touchscreen display for easy control and monitoring. The built-in smart dust sensor automatically adjusts suction speed depending on the amount of dirt detected, helping improve efficiency and battery life. It works great on car interiors, beds, carpets, sofas, and floors. The cordless build makes movement easy, while the modern design gives it a high-end feel. If you want a smart and powerful vacuum cleaner with advanced features, the ABIR model is a fantastic option. Number 1. Wireless High-Power Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. This wireless high-power car vacuum cleaner takes the number 1 spot thanks to its balance of portability, strong suction, and multi-purpose cleaning ability. It's designed for cleaning car interiors, bedroom carpets, furniture, and small household spaces with ease. The cordless handheld design allows maximum flexibility, while the powerful motor helps remove dust, crumbs, hair, and debris quickly. Its compact body makes storage simple inside a car or drawer, and the rechargeable battery supports convenient everyday cleaning. Whether for your car, office, or home, this vacuum cleaner offers excellent value and dependable performance for daily use. A good cordless car vacuum can make cleaning faster, easier, and far more convenient.
These 5 models offer strong suction, portable designs, and reliable performance for both cars and home use. Whether you need a compact travel cleaner or a powerful smart vacuum, there's something here for every budget and cleaning need. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.